This spy bot must have Omega-level secrets inside of it or something if everyone's going after it. Oh no, better keep moving. Great, fine! The loading platform must be just ahead.
Mandatory 24-hour shift policy. Production is up to 100%.
operation.
Spybot's mine.
Another mandatory shift at the factory?
Ah!
Not sure.
Whoa.
Of the proceeds from your purchases today go directly to His Supreme Excellence. Thank you for shopping.
Welcome, sugar! Feel free to browse. That is one mighty fine enhancement. More power is always a good thing. Leaving so soon?
I can really use a break.
Not clear that sensation of scrutiny watching over your body. It is only our Emperor's unyielding judgment.
The Emperor says
More cracks in the dimension. Huh. Now I know what happened to the parade floats. Looks like I gotta bounce. Miss you, buddy.
The non-inflated one! Come on, let's flex on this football!
Well, look at that. And I think that covers everything here. Nice.
on me. Before I report you. Lock device.
Take comfort in knowing the Emperor is all from his glorious tower. And remember, he is watching. Thank your Emperor today. If not, now would be an excellent time. Your purchases today go directly to His Excellency. Thank you for shopping.
Buy something, mister?
Already have an Emperor of your needs. Set it ready, everyone. Consider our new wedding for balconies and patios.
Wonder what Rivet's up to.
What's on your mind? Come on, let's hear it.
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart, that Ratchet and I are lost.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
Right.
So, this is Zerky's Gastropub and Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet,
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise. Looks like those hover pads are on the fritz. Done and done. Woo!
Rigatonium. No, 4 limes.
Mort's limeade recipe's slowly coming along.
Oh, turkeys is so exciting. Oh, you got that bull
ahead, Shug. That is a great deal. I do hate to see you go, Sugar.
This place is great. Nothing stops for sure.
Welcome to Zerky's, your newly interdimensional gastropub and battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to Zerky's, where we slaughter with a smile.
Zerky's usually behind the bar. He'll know where to find the pirate with the spare parts.
Can we go talk to Zerky? The sooner we fix my communicator, the better. No. Oh.
Namaste, and peace be with you, Rivet.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee chérie.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafer. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Zerky's is a violence-free zone. Take it outside.
I am more lover than fighter. But for you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo-butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
There's a console on that big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you.
Welcome, my liege, to Zerka Junior's Slaughterplex. Are you ready to witness the excitement, the pain, the carnage? Tonight, the favorite prisoners will fight
Oh dear. Why must every dimension have a dangerous battle arena?
But first, you must prove you're worthy.
The pirates are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire them for always finding new ways to cheat.
Ah, yes! Terry Susie! Traffic of space-time! A true pirate signature! attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. François?
It is an honorable discharge!
Francois seems large.
Why am I surprised that Pierre's running from a fight? Doesn't matter. I'm getting that signal booster. Looks like you're gonna need a new partner, Pierre.
Just because he's being horribly beaten up does not mean you will win! Tiny thing, aren't ya?
Almost got him.
What to the who now? Riddick emerges victorious from the ravages of battle! Cheer, team! Cheer!
A defeat? But how? Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your part.
Ooh.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
We've got to get him and us out of here, but...
Without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be careful out there.
Wow. Another Lombax.
Let's build this thing. Nice work back there. Bet we could win the Bronze Cup before heading to Blizar Prime. Wouldn't mind the extra bolts to gear up.